What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the spell check on your Opera browser, right? So I'm going to go ahead and launch my Opera here. Now once the Opera browser is on guys, then you want to go ahead and click the Opera logo in the uppermost left hand side, then click on settings. Now once you're here guys, under the basic settings here, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom where you find advanced, then you want to click on that again. Then scroll all the way down to almost at the bottom again guys, and you will find the spell check. Now currently, as you can see, the spell check is currently turned off, but if you want to turn this on guys, just simply click on it, toggle it on, and it will be on. And this is a very useful feature when you're on a website and you type and you might get word incorrect. The spell check will help you to make those corrections, so it's very useful. And as well, you can customize spell check as well. If you tap on there, you can simply add some words if you want, and it will be able to save those words, so you can write whatever you want and simply add those words. As well, you can remove them if you no longer need it as well, and it will be in automatic. But that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.